guys, welcome to the Warrior Motivator series. This series is dedicated to empowering the human spirit through just regular, ordinary people. So I want to interview anybody who has been through tremendous difficulties and have overcome them. So whether it's finances or whether it's health issues, cancer, an accident that you've overcome, a brain injury, maybe you're taking care of someone with Alzheimer's, maybe it's a death of a spouse, a loved one, or a child. It's anybody that's just overcome a difficulty and adversity. We've all overcome a difficulty and adversity, so we all have that special gift to share. I'm looking for special tools and insights that you had going through that difficult moment that got you out, that freed you, that you can now look back and say, you know what, I wouldn't be where I am today if it hadn't been for that situation. We all have that warrior moment. We all have that motivating moment. So with the Warrior Motivator series, I am looking for amazing, ordinary people that have done extraordinary things. So if you think that you fit into that category, please email kitawarrior@yahoo.com, K-I-T-A Warrior, W-A-R-R-I-O-R @yahoo.com, and I will be setting up interviews. I'm recovering from a total hip replacement, so I'm in bed flat because it hurts to sit for long periods of time, and I'm sitting here thinking, what can I do with my time, because I'm used to teaching and empowering and jumping all around, and I'm not able to do that. And it just gave me a thought, gosh, it would be so nice if there was a series out there that I could watch, that I could become empowered by. So whatever it is that you're going through, or maybe it's something that you've been through, whether it's childhood or as a young teenager or even as an adult, think about what that story might be and share it with me. Interviews take about an hour, minimum 45 minutes, and you will be receiving a copy of everything, and it doesn't matter wherever you live in the world, because this is a global event that I'm doing, and all you need is to have access to Skype, because everything's going to be filmed on Skype. There's no cost to you. It's totally free for you to do it, and it's something that you can invest back into humanity. I see the suicide rates are so high. I see all of this violence going on in the world, and I just feel like we need to heal each other through our stories. So why don't you join me today? Again, email kitawarrior@yahoo.com, and let's get started empowering the human spirit one story at a time. Take care, and as I always say, stand in your light, stand in your truth, and always be a warrior. Take care. Bye. Mwah.